Hi friends, Crypto Bird Dog pointing you in the right direction. A news update alert, Bitcoin Cash has reached a high of over $500 per coin. Its value now is currently trading at $487.87. The important point of this is I believe it is now finally gotten to its new platform where it will start to rise on its next level in the charts. You can see the previous mining block that was logging over 37,000 transactions has proved and come through to give its investors the final confidence that they need. It has been supported in all types of manners to make what is going to be, I think, the replacement for PayPal. After PayPal was purchased by eBay, it seems that it was truncated and did not allow to become the potential of a global currency transaction instrument that Bitcoin Cash has been, I believe, mapped out to become. So I can see now we've gotten some good support for it today, and it'll be interesting to watch for the rest of the week what happens. So it's now broken $500 Bitcoin Cash. Anybody who is receiving some free Bitcoin Cash. Again, the implementation of the coin into public, I think, was a very brilliant move, very clever to maneuver it as opposed to bringing it in as an ICO. So thanks a lot to check this out. You may still wish to invest because I do believe Bitcoin Cash will be going back up to at least the $700 range where it took its high during the original hard fork. Don't forget there's another hard fork coming up recently in November. So more of all. If you like my channel, please do sub it and share it. Thank you very much for joining me, and remember, plan your work and work your plan. It's Crypto Bird Dog. I'll see you next time.